a freshly seasoned 36-inch Blackstone Select. Are you kidding me? These are the things that dreams are made of. Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And right over there might be the other
What
man of your
up?
dreams. Speaking of, today I'm going to show you guys how to season your new 36-inch Select Blackstone Griddle. Grab something to hold on to, because you're going to want this. Am I right?
Am I right?
Am I right? All right. Yeah. So, bringage. We will see you on the other side with some seasoning. Yeah.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
To all you new Blackstone owners out there, and the ones that might have had one and upgraded, there are definitely some tips and tricks when it comes to seasoning your griddle. Now today, we have this gorgeous 36-inch Blackstone Select. This sucker is a beast. It's made of stainless steel on 4 casters, side shelves, utility shelves, hidden propane. This thing is everything that you would want it to be. Now today we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning this up by cranking it to high. Now here's something you can do. There's a couple rules of thought, maybe, so to speak, with this. You could start by washing it with water and soap, get it cranked to high, and dry it off. Either way, you wanna make sure all the debris is out of there. Now today, we're gonna kinda use a method that's maybe adopted a little bit from Bruce Mitchell. And if it's good enough for Bruce, it's good enough for me. Now with our 4 burners cranked to stun, you're gonna start to see the discoloration take place on your griddle top. Now give it about 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna start to blacken up, and that's what we want. Some of it's gonna look even like a little purpley, but basically you're gonna start to see this really deep, rich color. Now this is where the fun begins to happen. Soon as you get to that point, grab your Blackstone seasoning and conditioner, or if you don't have that, you can grab whatever oil that you choose. Definitely don't want to use a bacon fat, but find a good neutral oil and you'll be all set. Now we're gonna start this with a spoonful of the seasoning conditioner. Get it there in the center. It is going to start to melt right away. Now grab your paper towel roll and start sliding and moving that seasoning and conditioner all over the griddle. We're talking the sides, the front, the back, thin, even layers. This is the key. You've got to go thin. You don't think of it as if like you're trying to shallow fry something. You want it to get on there and then start to smoke off. Because if you start to get pools, that'll create the wrong science, the wrong magic, the wrong fusion, and it'll start chipping later, and then you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have to reseason again, which is fine, but let's just start, good from the beginning. Now, once you get that first layer on, you're gonna see that smoke start to burn off. Do not start until you see that smoke gone. You're gonna do this 3 or 4 times, and the smoke you're gonna see, it's not gonna be black, but it is gonna be white, billowy. So if you've got a fan near, crank it up and, watch the fun and watch the magic. But the idea here is take your time. This will probably be, if you do 3 or 4 coats, you're looking at like 30 to 45 minutes, just depending on how big your Blackstone is. This seasoning process works for all Blackstone griddle tops, except for our E-Series, which you don't have to worry about seasoning. Now at this point, my friends, you're officially ready to go. You've seasoned it up, you've watched one of my other videos on how to clean it up, and it's time to start cooking. But speaking of videos, check out all the Blackstone creators on our YouTube network. It is insane how many creators that we have. The pros are out there. We have some other people that have joined in on us. We are having so much fun creating content, and anything and everything that you can possibly think of cooking on a Blackstone, we've done it, and we've got the recipe for you guys. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone related. But at the end of the day, remember this. This is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we usually quote a lot more.
Normally there's a whole lot more quoting and a lot more movies, a lot more fun. But we wanted to keep it safe and fun for all the families out there.
This was safe.
This is safe.
Go watch the other episodes that are dangerous.
Live in the danger zone, also known as the Tobin Zone.
So come on,